Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the Windows machine because RDP must be allowed before any Mac steps. Enable Remote Desktop in Settings and choose a local account with a password. Windows Home lacks native inbound RDP, so make sure it's Pro or use a gateway. Once done, set a static IP or note the PC name, then open TCP port 3389 in the firewall. Make sure the Windows PC is reachable on your LAN or via VPN/port forward to avoid connection failures later. You now switch to your Mac and install Microsoft Remote Desktop from the App Store because it implements RDP reliably. Add a new PC entry using the Windows IP or hostname and specify the Windows user credentials to avoid repeated prompts. Configure display resolution and sound for performance versus quality. Lower resolution if the network is slow. If you access the PC over the internet, set an RD gateway or VPN. Also enable folder redirection if you want drag-and-drop file access between machines. You're ready to connect. Open the saved PC entry and accept any certificate warnings, then authenticate with the Windows credentials. Once connected, use the clipboard and mapped folders to move files. Enable printer redirection if needed. If performance is poor, lower the display quality and disable visual effects. If a connection fails, check that Remote Desktop is still enabled. Confirm Windows Firewall allows TCP 3389. Validate the IP or hostname, and ensure the PC edition supports RDP. Testing over the local LAN isolates network issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.